Baishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. In this video, as you can see in the title, this look is inspired by Debasree Banerjee. As you all must be knowing who Debasree Banerjee is. She is a great YouTuber. She created this look recently in a series called Debtember. To know how to create this look in my way, do check out the video.
First, I'll use Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream as my moisturizer. It's a very nice moisturizer. You should always moisturize your skin before applying any makeup. Leave your moisturizer for at least 10 minutes before applying your primer. Next, I'll be using Nykaa Premier Primer as my primer to fill in my pores. I'll put it on the centers of my face and work my way outwards as I have more pores there. Next, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation as my base. I'll take one pump of it and apply dots of the foundation all over my face so that it is easy for me to blend. Always use buffing motion while blending your foundation or concealer. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to highlight my under eyes. Again, use buffing motion to blend the concealer. Never ever drag your brushes. Next, I'm using Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder to set my face, especially my under eyes as it might crease. Next, I'll be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette to contour my face. Make a fish face to contour your cheekbones. Apply it on your temples too if you have large forehead like me. Make a fish face to contour your cheekbones as it gives a guideline where to contour. You should start from the earlobes and blend it in. Next, I'm using Maybelline facestudio blush and highlighting kit. I'm using the pink shade as my blush. Using it on the apple of my cheeks. Next, I'll use the highlighting shade to highlight my face. Next, I'll use Etude House Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. First, I'll tame my brows and then I'll start filling it in. I'll make a separate video on how I do my eyebrows. To be updated with my videos, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, always use a brown brow pencil to get that natural look. If you will use a black pencil for your eyebrows, it will be a very harsh look, which we are not going for over here. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. I'll be taking the pink shade for my crease. I'll blend the pink shade on my crease. I'll use a clean brush to blend the crease. Next, I'll be using this purple shade for my lower lash line. Always dust off the excess. Next, I'll be using this shimmery pink color all over my lids. Dusting off the excess and applying it all over my lid. Blend it in. Again using the crease shade to blend the eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this golden shade to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner. Here I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's a very nice mascara and my favorite too. You can see how my eye look. Next, I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cannes. It's a very nice nude shade and my favorite too. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray to set my makeup, and this is how the final look. And if you liked this Debasree Banerjee inspired look, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more inspired video in the future too. Bye guys.
Hello you guys, welcome back. Doing it whatever is available. Sorry. Recently I have thought I will be starting a series in the name of Bye guys.